So this one are the boiler. So you can see the way we increase the feeding. Now, so we see I increase the book. So all those train where I take dey give them food, I increase them so that all of them that they see where I occupy, not be say they'll come dey round, they find where they want they eat. So that thing they make them they lose weight. I even carry one comot the other day. They don't mash am, e no get strength again to get up. So I now carry am go separate way, go dey feed am. Now I don dey regain itself. So as you dey feed them, you need to dey wash, to dey careful, dey wash them. So